In this video, you will learn exactly how to formulate broiler feeds from when they're day old until when they're ready to go to the market. So we're going to start with the broiler starter mash, broiler grower mash, broiler finisher mash. So subscribe if you're new here. So let us start with the broiler starter mash. The broiler starter mash is fed to chicks from day old to 16 days. This is because during the first 7 days, 80% is used for growth, while the remaining 20% is used for maintenance. That's why it's very important for broiler mash to be rich in protein. So here are the list of ingredients we need to make 100 kilograms of broiler starter mash. We need maize, 61 kilograms, soybean meal, 18 kilograms, wheat offal, 4 kilograms, full fat soya, 13.5 kilograms, bone meal, 2.5 kilograms, lysine, 0.2 kilograms, metanoin, 0.3 kilograms, premix, 0.2 kilograms, salt, 0.3 kilograms. So our total will add up to 100 kilos. So mix this very well. Number 2, broiler grower mash. The broiler grower mash is fed to chickens from the age of 17 days to 30 days. This feed supports continued growth and prepares them for finishing stage. So these are the ingredients we need to make 100 kilograms of broiler grower mash. Maize, 45 kilograms, soya meal, 7.5 kilograms, wheat offal, 12 kilograms, limestone, 5 kilograms, bone meal, 2.5 kilograms, palm kernel cake, 12 kilograms, granite cake, 15 kilograms, premix, 0.25 kilograms, toxic binder, 0.15 kilogram, salt, 0.3 kilogram, super leaf, 0.05 kilograms, metanoin, 0.15 kilograms, lysine, 0.1 kilogram. Our total should add up to 100 kilos. So as a chicken farmer or poultry farmer, it's very important to measure these things so that the nutrients are distributed equally. 3. Broiler finisher mash. The broiler finisher mash is fed to chickens from the age of 30 days to 38 days. This feed helps broilers reach their optimal market weight. So these are the ingredients we need to make our broiler finisher mash. Maize, 66 kilograms, soya meal, 18.55 kilograms, granite cake, 7 kilograms, brewed dried grain, 5 kilograms, bone meal, 2 kg, oyster shell, 0.5 kg, broiler premix, 0.25 kg, salt, 0.5 kg, metanoin, 0.1 kg, lysine, 0.1. Our total is going to add up to 100 kilos. So if you're a poultry farmer and you watch this video, tell us the formula you're using on your farm so that we can learn from you. List all the ingredients you're using. Show us the results in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Kindly like, subscribe and share with other farmers.